Welcome! In front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I will show you how we can set the date and the time settings. So at the first we have to tap on the menu, click here, and then remember to enter the second position right here, and here we get the date and the time, so click set to enter. So first we can set the day, month, add the second, and of course the year. So there we got the currently date. And here we can change the manually date and the time, the hours and the minutes. And here we can also change day, month, year. So basically 24-hour format if you want to get the year, month and the day like that. And here we got also the daylight saving time, so we can turn it off and turn it on. I think that we can use this one. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see, it's changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.